yes, we're in Florida and we're headed to the beach. So that's a nice change from pretty cold weather up in Tennessee. It's amazing what a long, dark ride through the night and you wake up and you're in Florida. Although it was pretty cold here when we arrived too. Big cold snap everywhere. But anyway, yeah, just gonna enjoy some nice white sand at the beach, and I think I'll just try to film on my phone so I don't ruin my camera. Anyway, so it's gonna be a good day. Are you ready to go to the beach?
I'd much rather be in the mountains.
Nana's here,
nice
Mama.
mountains.
Is that Nana? Oh,
Oh, string.
there's Nana. Nana's here.
Why did she come?
Come to the beach with you.
Reminder that Pathfinder and Adventure meetings are tomorrow, Sabbath, at 4:30 p.m.
Did you hear him? So you're here.
Are you here?
Yeah.
Hi, give me a hug, man. Oh, I love you. And you're here.
Hi.
Hi, my sister.
Yeah. The way back. Okay, sounds great. We've got a line so we know how to get back. Perfect. In the congregation of seagulls. Watch for bikes. Yeah, it is a heavy bucket.
Because look, isn't that a lot of water?
Oh!
Let's pull you forward.
And she's out. It's not a soccer ball. lunch, and it was fun. And we just had some Jimmy John's subs. They were good, but they're never enough. Like, they could always be bigger, I think. Just saying. Anyway, we're getting a couple things for Haystacks for tomorrow for lunch. And, yeah, that's what's happening. He wishes his sub was bigger, too. Daddy's gonna go pick up pizza for supper.
Yeah. I want ice cream.
Well, we're gonna have some pizza.
That's funny. Story.
Books. You like books?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on.
All right. One day, Thumper hopped through the forest. First, he saw a silly skunk and a clever brown badger. There he is. There's the skunk.
Feels good.
Yeah. Next, he visited some fluffy yellow duckies. Splish, splash. There they are. You gonna feel them too?
Soft.
I know.
I wish we had our ducks.
I know, I miss our ducks.
Me too.
Then he watched a red squirrel swish his tail on a tall oak tree. Bzzz, bees flew by, a curious brown otter. Surprise! A furry little hedgehog popped up out of the flower patch. Thumper giggled. What a fun afternoon it had been. You have some red cheeks. You must have been in the sun, huh? Did you have fun at the beach?
No. Yeah.
You did.
Yeah.
Peekaboo. You jumped all our people?
Yep.
What, are you going to start over?
Nope.
Why not?
Because she's mad.
Oh, well, you can play again. Okay, jump the frogs. Whoa, I went behind you.
So does that mean it has to go this way?
Maybe. Whoop.
I need my frog.
It's hard. I like to hold it up.
Wow. I jumped over. What?
Did you eat it all on the way home?
Mine. Mine.
Got
Whoa.
olives, and this one here is just cheese.
Wow. Wait a minute, is this Jets? This is Jets. I thought you were looking at Paloma or something.
No.
Some different name. Well, what's not to
Try
love
some of this,
about
John.
Jets? That looks pretty cheesy.
As much on it.
You good?
Yeah.
I need my cheese.
Black marker.
You can get a plate?
Where are they?
Right over here next to Becca.
I will take it.